Here's how to fix the Apple Intelligence not working or showing problem on iOS 18.1. First, tap on Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Next, tap on Language and make sure that English United States is selected. Then go back. Then on top, tap on Back and select General. Scroll down and tap on Language and Region. If you have English US right here, then you don't need to change anything. If you don't have that, tap on Add Language. And on top, search for English. Then scroll down and tap on English US. Then tap on Use English US to set it as the primary language. Once you've done that, tap on Back on top. Once again. Then scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Your screen will then look slightly different than mine does right here. It will say something about joining the waitlist in this area right here. Then make sure to tap on Join Waitlist. Once you've done that, it will only take a few hours for you to get accepted. If you still cannot see Join Waitlist or turn on Apple Intelligence right here, then make sure to swipe up from the bottom of the screen until the middle of the screen. And when you see it like this, simply swipe up again. Now swipe up from the bottom to go back to the home screen. Now tap on Settings again. Scroll down. Tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. And you should now either see the Join Waitlist right here. If that is the case, tap on it. Or if you already did that before and waited for a couple of hours, you should then see Turn on Apple Intelligence right here. And once you see that, you can then simply tap on Turn on Apple Intelligence to activate Apple Intelligence. Then just tap on Continue. Then go to Not Now. Continue. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. And finally say, Siri, play some music. Tap on Continue. And you're all done. Congratulations. Now last but not least, let me say this. If you're in the EU or in China, Apple Intelligence currently doesn't work yet. So if you're in one of these regions, then you need to stay patient and wait for further updates. And that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Apple tutorials.